We have NHL Hockey 1993. This one is very undesirable since the label is completely messed up. And this one has the gold again, where they're connecting components. Let's see, and this one has more than that first one. The first one only had some gold on the components, and not on the actual IC chip. So, let's see if we can point this out. So, see, this is the original one I was talking about. There you go. Focus a little bit better. So these right here, there's some gold here and some gold here. The pins here, they don't have gold, but NHL 97 has a ton of gold. So we have the gold in the IC chips, you got the gold pins, then you have, like the other one I just showed you, gold here, but now it's a little hard to show because of the light, but look, there's all sorts of gold around all the IC chips on this side. So this is a nice little board. So remember, NHL 93, lots of gold, or at least gold plating. Let's see, NBA Live 96. Let's see, what's in this one? This one is typical like all the other ones. The IC chips, gold pins front and back. Nothing too special, not like the NHL 93 one. We have another Prime Time. We know what that one looks like, but let's open it up, see if there's a difference. Nothing too special on this one either. Again, the IC chips and the pins. Ooh, let's see here. Pele 2 Soccer. Nothing exciting on the Pele. This one in the front doesn't have full gold plate.